For too long, we have been exploiting and destroying our planet's ecosystems. Every 3 seconds, the world loses enough forest to cover a football pitch. And over the last century, we have destroyed half of our forest and wetlands. As much as 50% of our coral reefs have already been lost, and up to 90% of the coral reefs could be lost by 2050. The emergence of COVID-19 has also shown just how disastrous the consequences of ecosystem loss can be. By shrinking the area of natural habitat for animals, we have created ideal conditions for pathogens, including coronaviruses, to spread. Now, with this big and challenging picture, the World Environment Day this year is focused in the ecosystem restoration, and its theme is Reimagine, Recreate and Restore. Ecosystem restoration means preventing, halting and reversing this damage to go from exploiting nature to healing it. This World Environment Day will kick off the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration, a global mission to revive billions of hectares from forests to farmlands and from top of mountains to the depth of sea. Only with healthy ecosystem we can enhance people's livelihood, counteract climate change and stop the collapse of biodiversity. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June and is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. World Environment Day is a global platform for public outreach with participation from over 143 countries annually. Each year, the program has provided a theme and forum for businesses, non-government organizations, communities, governments, and celebrities to advocate environmental causes. This year, the Environmental Day theme is Reimagine, Recreate, Restore. This is our moment. We cannot turn back time, but we can grow trees, green our cities, rewild our gardens, change our diets and clean up rivers and coasts. We are the generation that can make peace with nature. Let's get active, not anxious. Let's be bold, not timid. Join Generation Restoration. So from when actually we have started celebrating World Environment Day? World Environment Day was established in 1972 by the United Nations at the Stockholm Conference on Human Environment that had resulted from discussion on the integration of human interactions and the environment. 2 years later, in 1974, the first World Environment Day was held with the theme Only One Earth. Even though World Environment Day celebration have been held annually since 1974, in 1987, the idea for rotating the center of these activities through selecting different host countries began. This year, in 2021, Pakistan will host World Environmental Day in collaboration with the UN Environment Programme. The Prime Minister of Pakistan will virtually start the World Environment Day conference in Islamabad on night of 4th June. This is the first time in history that Pakistan will officially host this day. Now I would like to share some interesting facts to know the importance of World Environment Day. An estimated 7 million people die each year from causes related to air pollution, with a majority occurring in Asia-Pacific region. Over 4.7 million hectares of forest, an area larger than Denmark, are lost every year. Nearly 80% of world's wastewater is discharged to our ocean and rivers without treatment. Wetlands are being drained for agriculture. with some 87% lost globally in the last 300 years. We have been exploiting our earth from decades and centuries. Now it's time to restore our earth, to restore our planet, to restore our peace. Let's unite for a good cause on this World Environment Day. If you are curious to know the difference between the Earth Day and World Environment Day, please don't forget to check out our video on Earth Day. The link for same I have given in the description below, or you can check on the card above. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you. See you in next video.